and design events have immense value. From major festivals to local exhibitions, they inspire us and shape our culture. Even so, their discovery is hidden within the digital mess of noise and constant scrolling. Too many platforms, fragmented searches, endless pop-ups, continuous data entry, separate ticket wallets. So how do we explore the creative landscape in a unified and seamless experience? The answer is Visum, a platform with a unique design, created to rethink how artistic and creative experiences are discovered across Europe, spanning every form of visual expression, from painting to creative coding. It brings everything into one place. Exhibitions, museums, festivals, galleries, and more into one clear and intuitive space. Accessible on desktop and mobile, with a focus on the free mobile application, designed to make discovery fluid and immediate. With Visum, you no longer waste time. You can explore any art event in Europe, all carefully selected and verified. You can save all your favorite events in one space, organize custom itineraries thanks to the interactive maps, and purchase and manage all your tickets in a single digital wallet. This is Visum, a concept that transforms how Europe's visual culture is experienced, where art becomes easy to discover,